Alright guys, Brian here again. I'm going to do a little video today, and I'm going to need y'all's help. I'm going to ask y'all some questions and see if y'all can answer me and give me some good advice. So what I'm doing here is I'm going to try to probably here in the near future rebuild this KX450. Now I don't think it got the hours on it. Let me look here. It's got 44 showing on my whatchamacallit. And when I bought this thing, the guy had a hour meter on it, so I bought a new one. Let me show you. I bought this one here, as you can see. There, total 44. So I just copied what his had on it and I programmed it into there. And that's actually how many hours are on this bike, man. This is a 2022. Like I say, it's never been raced. It's not. I drove it on the track and the trails, but I don't ride hard. I'm 52 years old, so it's not. I've never hit the rev limiter on it at all. Never rode it hard, you know, because I can't ride it hard. But either way, it runs very, very good. I've only had to adjust the valves once or twice on it, you know, and that's just because I wanted to. But anyway, I was thinking about rebuilding it before long. Even though I could probably last a lot longer, I'm going to ask you guys what all I need to do. I rebuilt the KX250X that I had. Pretty simple. It's probably about the same as this one here. Fuel injected too, so I know what I basically have to do, and that's, you know, remove this stuff, remove the pipe, and this, and I got to remove the coil, I know, because it's in the damn way. The radiators, I don't know about that. What do y'all think? I can't remember if I removed them on the 250 or not. I can't remember. But anyway, let's look on the other side over here. And I do know that I am going to take the ignition cover off, because I like to be able to see when I do the timing chain. You know, these things got a lock on them so they don't fall off, and I like to have that accessible when I'm doing the head, because if I could drop that chain, I can always get it out. You know what I mean? So I'm going to have to do that, I know, for one thing. Even though they probably don't recommend it or ask you to do it. But like I say, it's a good thing to do and to have it anyway. So I guess I'll probably have to remove this also, right? I mean, y'all just let me know in the comments if you're reading this. Like I say, I don't know about the radiator. See, I put a fan on this thing here, so I may have to. I got a little bit more wiring up in there since I installed this switch here. I installed that to control that fan, actually. So when it cuts on at a certain degree, I can cut it off with that switch in case I come to a stop or something, and the thing won't keep running until it cools off, because it'll run until it cools down without that switch, and then it'll automatically cut off. But you know, I don't want to sit there and run my battery down while I'm not doing anything, so I can cut that off with that switch, and that's why I installed it. But either way, I can get around the wiring on that. It ain't no big deal. But what else do y'all think, man? I don't know about this fuel injection stuff here. I guess you know, obviously move this, but you know, when I remove the head, I think I'm gonna have to just undo it right here, and then maybe lift the subframe up here just to get it off. I think that's probably the best bet. What y'all think? That way I ain't fighting it, you know, trying to get it in and the head squeezed in there at the same time I'm trying to get the thing lined up right and all that good stuff. So and another thing I forgot that I want to ask you, do you have to put this thing at top dead center before you start stripping stuff away? Because I can't remember. I think you do, although it's probably gonna come out of top dead center. But I think I did do that on that 250. Like I say, I've only rebuilt one of these, and that was that 250. Now 2-strokes, that's a different story. Hell, I've bought quite a few of them back in the day. So those are easy, you know. They ain't complicated machines like these. So and I guess you know, like I say, I had to remove that too. But that ain't gonna do anything if I remove that, is it? It's just gonna be, you know, it's just stuck on there. Well, not stuck on there. I mean, it ain't gonna blow oil out or anything in like that, is it? So they did let me know, yeah, stuff like that if it does. Also, is this a cover? I can't tell. Is that a cover for the starter gear, or is that just part of the side cover for the ignition? I can't tell. So y'all let me know that too. just trying to get some advice on here. Like I say, this channel is not just me showing off and doing stuff. I like to learn from you guys too and have your opinion. That's what it's all about. I ain't some rich guy on here showing new stuff all the time and all that crap. Hell, I can make a buttload of money on YouTube if I had that kind of money like all these other guys do also. But I don't, so I appreciate y'all watching when y'all do and giving likes and stuff. That's cool for me because I'm just a little bitty YouTube guy that likes to post videos of working on things. And hell, I might be posting videos of working on car stereos or something. You never know. Speaking of, I got to do that in my truck too. Got to get put my factory one back in it. My damn daggum front screen cracked on the other one, but it was a cheap one, so who cares? Anyway, all right, guys, that's gonna be about it. But I just wanted to ask y'all that. Y'all give me some advice. Let me know some things and tell me if what I need to do and what I don't need to do. I appreciate it, guys and gals. I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.